Purple? Yeah. Oh, this is mine.
Summer break is officially over and a new school year has started. I can't believe my eldest is in upper elementary now. I guess that makes her a tween, which sounds wild because in my head she's still very much a little kid.
The guy that went for the food.
To get ready, I prepped a big batch of chicken strips to stock in the freezer. They're one of Luna's favorite lunchbox foods, and having them ready makes lunch packing so much easier. This time though, something unexpected happened. My oven glass cracked. So instead of baking, I had to fry. Batch by batch, which really made me miss the oven. But the chicken still turned out delicious. And once everything was frozen and vacuum sealed, it definitely felt worth it. Now that the first day of school is here, mornings look a little different. I'm already an early bird, but I still had to move my wake-up time half an hour earlier than summer. It's fine though. I love the quiet of the morning. It's always been my favorite time of day. When I pack the chicken strips, I reheat them first, then cool them down. The choice is basically hot but soggy or cold but crispy. And Luna always goes for cold and crispy. Her friends don't seem to mind either, since they like to sneak in a few bites. This year feels different. With a tween in the house, it feels like the start of a whole new chapter.
Still hot?